What if your dog barked every single time you sneezed? That's exactly what happened with one hilariously confused pup. Imagine this, you sneeze and instantly your dog barks at you like you just shouted a command. That was the bizarre reality for one pet owner whose dog took sneezes as a personal affront. Some experts think this over-the-top reaction could be because dogs see sneezing as a strange, startling noise, or maybe they're just trying to protect you from what they assume is an emergency. Either way, it's equal parts annoying and adorable. Does your dog do anything weird when you sneeze? Drop a comment, we want to hear your stories.